What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Going Out by Role Model. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I'll choke you slowly until you see Jesus. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and it's got one little riff that just repeats throughout the entire song, and I'll show you the chords that you can play for the song as well. If you need the guitar tab, it'll be in the video description, as well as if you need the chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. So you're going to start out with your index finger on the 3rd fret of the A and your pinky finger on the 5th fret of the B, and you're just going to alternate pick those 4 times. Then move that index finger to the 3rd fret of the D, alternate pick twice. And then you're gonna go to the 3rd fret of the B. Now what I do is I just bar it, but if it's easier for you to put like your middle finger there, you can do that as well. I'm just barring it. And you're playing that twice as well, so it's... So from the top. And that whole thing pretty much repeats throughout the entire song. Now, every now and then they will add in a little... And that's where you kind of will need to bar those strings right there, because you're picking everything on the 3rd fret. D, B, E, B. So that would look like... And you really got to listen to the song to find out exactly where that happens, because it is kind of just, it seems like it's almost randomly just played throughout the song, but most of the song is just the original riff of just repeated. Now, if you want to just strum through the chords for the song, it's very simple. It's just 2 chords and they just repeat. It's a C major, which is ring finger 3rd fret A string, middle finger 2nd fret D string, index finger 1st fret B string. And then an F major 7, thumb on the low E on the 1st fret, ring finger 3rd fret A string, pinky finger 3rd fret D string, middle finger 2nd fret G string, and index finger 1st fret B string. And your strumming pattern is just a down, 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 up, 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 down, down, up, down, 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 up, 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 down, down, up, down, 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 up, 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 down, down, up, down, 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 up, 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 down, down, up, down, 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 up, 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 down, down, up, down, 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 up, 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 down, down, up, down, 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 up, 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 down, down, up, down, 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 up, 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 down, down, up. There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.